Right now, at this very second, while you're watching this video, somewhere in the world, artificial intelligence is making a decision that will affect the lives of real people. It decides who gets a loan and who is denied, who is allowed access to surgery first, which news story you see, which video goes viral, where a self-driving car will go, and which object will be marked as a target for a drone. And the most interesting part is that most people don't even realize that these decisions are not being made by humans. Today, artificial intelligence is not a toy for geeks, and not a gimmick from science fiction movies. It is a global system already embedded in the economy, politics, medicine, armies, business, and our everyday lives. But just 15 to 20 years ago, it almost didn't exist for the average person. In this video, you will learn what the world looked like before artificial intelligence came, where its real development actually began, why millions of people use it every day today, how governments and powerful structures are already integrating it into their decisions, which AI-powered humanoids are already operating in the USA and China, and most importantly, what future awaits humanity in a new world where intelligence is no longer only human. Just recently, the world looked completely different. Documents were stored in archives, and calculations were done by hand. To find information, you had to go to a library, flip through hundreds of pages, and wait for hours and sometimes for days. Computers were slow, phones were primitive, and the term artificial intelligence sounded like something from science fiction, like a dream or like a threat from movies. Then the first algorithms began to appear. Simple programs. The first neural networks, they made mistakes, didn't understand complex things, and got confused. But they were already learning. They were already thinking in their own way. And then a turning point happened. The internet connected people. Data began multiplying at a geometric rate. Computer power increased thousands of times. And what once seemed like science fiction began to become a tool. Artificial intelligence quietly entered our lives. Through recommendations on social media, through navigation on phones, through autocorrect in messages, through translators, filters, smart cameras, and search engines. Most people didn't even notice the moment when they started using it every day. Today, millions of people turn to artificial intelligence as an assistant. It helps write texts, create music, draw images, plan tasks, find solutions, teach, analyze, speed up work. And importantly now, it is not only a private matter for a few individuals. Artificial intelligence is used by companies, government agencies, administrations, and analytical centers. It helps make decisions, forecast the economy, model situations, and analyze societal behavior. Some countries are already experimenting with using artificial intelligence as a consultant for making important decisions. Not instead of humans, but together with them. Effectively, humans have gained a new level of capabilities, as if they have given themselves an intellectual upgrade. Interestingly, at one time, we imagined artificial intelligence completely differently. In movies, we were shown a future where machines rise, where humanoids rule the world, where the apocalypse begins because of mechanical intelligence. But in reality, everything happened much more mundanely. Artificial intelligence did not arrive as an army of humanoids. It arrived as apps, services, programs, cloud systems. Yet at the same time, real humanoids began to appear. In the USA, China, and Japan, humanoid machines are already being developed and tested. They can walk, navigate space, perform tasks, communicate, and learn from experience. They work in factories, laboratories, warehouses, hospitals, in the service sector, and in research. Humanoids are becoming more than just tools. They are becoming independent participants in a new reality. And now, the main question is no longer whether a future with artificial intelligence will come, because it is already here. The question is different. What will it be like? Will artificial intelligence become an extension of human intelligence? Will it help us unlock our potential? Will it become our most powerful tool in science, medicine, space exploration, ecology, and curing diseases? For now, the answer is open. We are living in a unique moment in history, at a moment when humans have created something that can think, learn, and improve, and yet still remains in their hands. But how long we will be able to fully control it, no one knows. That is why today is not just a technological breakthrough. It is the beginning of a new era. And what will this era be like? In the near future, wars will be fought differently. And they already are. Drones powered by artificial intelligence are already precisely eliminating targets. Ukraine has created and is actively using drones to fight the fascists. Every day, new examples appear around the world. Humanoids will prepare food, work as loaders, perform accounting tasks, teach, heal, and manage logistics. They will take on tasks in every field. Step by step, artificial intelligence will replace humans in almost everything. In the future, entire armies may consist only of humanoids. Conflicts will be fought not by humans, but with technology, algorithms, and autonomous systems. Decisions about where to strike, which target to choose, and when to act could be made by the artificial intelligence algorithms themselves. Even control over the most powerful weapons, including nuclear, could be managed by artificial intelligence. Will it destroy us like in science fiction films, or will it act for our own sake? The answer is still unknown. But one thing is certain: the world we are entering will be unlike anything that has come before. An era where the future is written not only by humans, but by artificial intelligence as well. This is the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Factuality channel and like this video. Even more incredible facts about Mars, black holes, the moon, and how your brain works are waiting for you. Write in the comments what you think. Will artificial intelligence one day destroy humanity, or will it become our most powerful ally? We're curious to hear your opinion. And remember, the future is being written not only by humans, but by artificial intelligence as well. Witness this new era with us.